Hey guys, the objective of today's video is to help you recover your Ton wallet. Now I'll be straight up with you. If you did not get your secret recovery phrase before you lost access to your wallet, however, you aren't going to get back in. Not that I know of. Your recovery phrase must always be backed up. And for those of you who don't know where to find your Tonkeeper recovery phrase, all you have to do is go to the gear icon on the top right, and there'll be a backup option, and inside of there you'll see secret recovery phrase. So when you click in there, make sure to write it down or take a picture, whichever one's easier for you, and put it in a safe place because whoever has that has access to your wallet. Alright, so on the sign up screen, we want to say import wallet. This will bring up this menu, and again we want to say import wallet. Now on this next screen, which I won't be able to show you because it doesn't allow recording, I will input my 24-word recovery phrase, and from there it'll ask me, do I want to name my wallet again? And you can just name it whatever you want, maybe give it the same name as it had before. It'll ask you about enabling notifications, and then it's going to ask you for your password if you did set that up. I do believe you have to set that up when you first log into Tonkeeper. And now you'll see it's updating and it will put in my wallet information. And that's it, guys. That is how you recover your wallet. Make sure you keep that recovery phrase, and I will see you in the next video.